Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a cat in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add earth. Then, combine wind with earth, and it will become dust. Combine earth with dust, and it will become a planet. Go to the other side. Combine wind with dust, and it will become a sandstorm. Combine sandstorm with planet, and it will become Mars. Add dust to Mars, and it will become a rover. Combine Mars with rover, and it will become Curiosity. Add dust to Curiosity, and it will become a cat. Now you can see cat has been created in Infinite Craft. That's the way to make a cat in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.